Introducing MaceratingFlo, our 8 Upflush toilet system. Transform spare space into a comfort bathroom. 3-pump models fit for different needs. The 900-watt model supports up to 39 feet of vertical lift or 360 feet of horizontal distance, and a flow rate of 170 liters per minute. Incorporating a manual button that enables extra maceration for deeper cleaning. To renovate a bathroom, we've considered odor-free design, easy to maintain rimless flushing, a stylish modern look with an 18-inch comfort height seat, flexible installation, and the drainage system for the whole space. The elbow can be cut to fit different pipe sizes. Stoppers are provided for unused inlets. Extension pipes give you more options and freedom in placement. High-quality components ensures long-lasting use. MaceratingFlo, our 8 Upflush toilet system. Upgrade your home with ease.